Can't find the exact hop, yeast, or grain that your recipe calls for? Don't cancel brew day. My recipe called for Mosaic. This is my Tropical Thunder Blonde Ale. You can follow along as I'm brewing this bad boy up, and I just put the recipe up on my blog and YouTube not too long ago, about 2 weeks ago, I believe. It's supposed to be a Mosaic Blonde Ale. My homebrew shop did not have Mosaic hops, they had Citra, so I went with Citra. Years ago, I would have followed the recipe to a letter. I would have said, well, screw it. I was about to throw that. My luck, the hops will go flying everywhere. Screw it, that's it. I got to wait until the homebrew shop has the exact ingredient, or I got to source it elsewhere. This goes for yeast, this goes for grains. Nowadays, I've been brewing for a long time. I've understood that a recipe's not handcuffs. You're not locked into it. This is make beer easy. Calm down, don't stress out. You can't get Mosaic, you go to Citra, you go to Galaxy, you go to Simcoe. How do you know this? With experience, but also there are tools out there to help you. There are tools that are called grain substitution charts, which will say, all right, I'm looking for carapils. If you can't find carapils, use this. You can't find Golden Promise, use Mare's Otter. So, like I said, what you do is you can use these charts now. And you can go through these charts, and exactly if I'm missing Cascade, I'll go down, say Cascade, down the chart. Oh, look at that. It says Centennial is a good substitute. So that's what you can do. And what's exciting for me is I've just launched on my blog a free homebrewing tools, and I'm starting to build that out. And one of the tools is exactly this. You can go over there and you can look at grain, malt substitutes, you can look at hop substitutes, and you can look at yeast substitutes. And then we're going to be bringing some more tools in down the road too. But moral of this video is don't let the lack of your homebrew shop having the exact ingredients hold you up. It's okay. There's a lot of similar grains out there. There's a lot of similar hops out there. They bring almost identical flavor and aroma. For example, Mosaic and Citra. They both are going to give the tropical, fruity, citrus deal that we love. Galaxy the same. Simcoe also, like I've said. So don't panic. Take her slow. You'll learn as you go which ingredients you can substitute naturally. In the meantime, head over. I'll put a link under this video to the free homebrew tools that we just put up on the blog, so you can check that out. I'm holding a beer, not drinking it. That's a crime. If you're new to brewing, I also put together my Beginner Brewers Bootcamp. You can check that out. Link is in the description below. And if you've been brewing for a while, I also give away my top 5 best-selling recipes from the brew pub I used to own. You can pick those up as well. Link will be in the description. That's what I got, guys. Reach out anytime. How do you like my Pet Detective Ace Ventura shirt? Oh, yeah. Love it. All right, guys, that's what I got for you. Have yourselves a great, I guess we're going to the weekend tomorrow. Have yourselves a great weekend. Big Rob, well, he gone, yeah.